Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are all well and enjoying your paintings. Today I'm painting the second Sandpiper Bird on my canvas. This is the coastal bird seen around the coastal areas of the UK. I have drawn two birds onto my canvas board using a watercolour pencil. I've already painted the first bird, and you can see that painting tutorial on my channel. I also have it on my playlist, How to Paint Birds. I have not drawn in lots of details, as I'll add the details as I go. The colours I'm using today: burnt umber, raw sienna, unbleached titanium, titanium white, grey and black. The brushes I'm using: a small flat brush, a small round brush, a small filbert brush and a fine liner brush. For the base coat colours on the wings, I use a mix of burnt umber and unbleached titanium. For the head and the chest, I use raw sienna, unbleached titanium, white and a touch of grey. After I've painted the base colours, I go over the bird's legs and feet. Then, using unbleached titanium white and white, I start to paint the feather shapes using a small angle brush and a small round brush to the bird's head and chest area. Using my fine brush, I paint in the markings on the bird's head. I also add feather shapes onto the bird's head using my small round brush. Using a mix of cream, I continue to paint more feather shapes onto the bird's chest and tummy area. I add more darker feather shapes to the bird's head using my small round brush. I also paint in more details to the eyes and go over the beak shape. I start adding darker feather shapes onto the wings with burnt umber and raw sienna to cover the wings. I add more details to the bird's head and face area. Adding more details to the sides of the face and around the eyes. I continue to go over the bird's head, adding more feather details to the face and neck. I also go over the bird's beak. I go over the wings, adding more feather shapes, also adding unbleached titanium to the tips of the feathers to create the light ends to the wing feathers. I go over the edges of the tail feathers in burnt umber to add shading and shadows. I also add more shading and shadows to the tummy area. I go over the bird, adding more details and shading where needed. I'm adding more details to the legs and refine the leg shape. I'm going over the bird, adding more feather details where needed. I add more details to the bird's head and face area. I'm just going over painting the final details. Okay, I'm almost finished. I'm just painting the final details to my bird painting. Okay everyone, I've now finished my painting, so both birds are now finished on my canvas. I do hope you have enjoyed my video and you have found this video helpful for your painting process. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon with my next video. Take care everyone. Bye for now.